Now we are going to talk about the FUNDEDNEXT MCP, which is a live and introduced by the FUNDEDNEXT in the industry. So you can clearly see that we can ask our account and our questions to AI. They allow us to connect our favorite AI with the FUNDEDNEXT, and there are some simple methods you can use. First of all, go to the FUNDEDNEXT dashboard, generate token, copy the token, and go to setting. Go to setting and go to connector, add custom connector, fill the name with the key, and use a URL which is given in the PDF. Just copy paste it as it is on the cloud. Just connect and you have to allow the access. Your all work is done now. Now the simple thing is you can ask any question to this about the FUNDEDNEXT, like what are the rules for 25k stellar account. It's easy, so we can get all the answer related to this. You can see this is very simple process you can do easily, and thanks.